Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to share you the best presentation software right now on the market that you can check out, and maybe it's going to be beneficial on your journey. So the first one is a ProPresenter. This is like very well-known software. You can have like plenty of feature-rich options with multi-screen support for managing different displays simultaneously. It integrates with also popular tools like Planning Center Online, access over 130 Bible translations, excellent for large churches and complex productions. So if you're something that you want to like something complex, the ProPresenter is way to go, and it's available on both Windows and Mac. Now the important thing is that you don't really have like for example one-time payment here. You have to pay on monthly basis, but you actually have the free trial for you to actually like test it out for yourself. So for the more advanced graphical features, the learning curve is higher, but it's something that you have to be kind of like aware of. Now, another one is Easy Worship. So user-friendly interface with intuitive worship presentation capabilities, very affordable solution for churches of any size. Scripture database allows quick access to Bible translations, and also software has grown and adapted to different church setups over the years. So this is like another one for you to check out, and maybe you will like it, and maybe you will like also the design, but it's not for Mac support. Now maybe it's going to be in the future, but that's something to be aware of. Sometimes there could be like a glitches and not as complex as ProPresenter, but still very nice alternatives for you to check out. Now another one that I want to share with you is an OpenLP. So this is a complete free open source tool that you can use. You can have cross-platform Windows, Mac, Linux, FreeBSD, well-developed software with supportive community, remote apps for iOS and Android, stage display accessible through any web-enabled devices, but multi-language support for display in 2 languages simultaneously is still lacking. Also, very important thing is that the design is not the greatest, okay? So the video background support is not that great, but that's something to be aware of. And learning curve for its features environment dependency on the VLC for media features. So that's something to be aware of too. Now the free show, that's something that I personally really like, is that you can have it like free, feature-rich, compatible to paid alternatives. So modern sleek UI similar to ProPresenter, NDI support for live streaming without the converters or SDI cables. CloudSync allows multiple people to work on a presentation from different computers, works on the Windows, Mac and Linux, and it can add also the Bible translation for free. Now, it's open source development means some bugs with larger files, be aware of it. No proper, like I'm going to make YouTube video for you too about it, but it's possibly not on level on the ProPresenter, but for as a free alternative that it's gonna have also like the GitHub right here. So it's like very good. And as you can see, it's been like worked on. You can have like license 4 years ago, but as you can see, like the scripts, the public last week, last month, that is actually actively worked on, and you can have also like 543 commits right here. So this is like very good. And I'm going to make like a full tutorial for you for it, and this is something that I will like. Also, the energy is interesting from it. So another one, they're like Proclaim. So that's like kind of like with 14-day free trial that you can actually like check out for yourself for PC and also for Windows. So cloud-based collaboration allows multiple users to work on a presentation from anywhere. No limit to how many computers it can be installed on. And also sometimes it can be laggy, so to be aware of. And also it gets same the subscription as other things, so another thing. And that's pretty much it. Like also we're gonna have like media shout. This is like the last one-time purchase option, so that's very good. When you can look here on the pricing, see if they still got it. So right here you can have like presentation computers, and you can have like yearly options here, so you can actually like check out if you like it or no. You can edit presentation, advanced presentation options, also plenty of 70+ Bible versions, but the learning curve is higher, so be aware of it. So yeah, this is also great alternatives for you to check out. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided you a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.